In front of me is INFINIX Zero X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. All you need to do is go into tab menu, and if you wish to turn on one-handed mode, click on one-hand shortcut. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, one-handed mode is on. To change placement of it, click on this icon of one-handed mode on the left or on the right. To go back, click on this X icon also on the left or on the right. You can also go back by clicking on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!